Hey, what is that on the floor? What is that?
On the floor.
Who did that?
I'm looking in the floor.
Who did that? What is that? What'd you have for dinner? Raise your hand if you're being bad. What is that on the floor?
Milk on the floor.
Corn on the floor? Who did that? Who did it? What's your name?
Brody.
No. Brody's daddy's name. What's your name? What's Sissy's name?
So much.
What's Sissy's name?
Sissy.
Georgia.
Georgia.
What's Mama's name?
Me.
Say Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Say Brody.
Brody.
Say Georgia.
Georgia.
Say Annabelle.
Annabelle.
Say Nana.
Annie.
Nana.
Nana.
Say Charlotte.
Charlotte.
Say Nani.
Annie.
Say Nancy.
Nancy.
Say Granddaddy.
Granddaddy.
Say Walter.
Arthur.
Say Terry.
Terry.
Say Craig.
Frank.
Say Ann Elizabeth.
Beth.
Say Sarah.
Sarah.
Say Ansley.
Nancy.
Say Allison.
Person.
Say Evan.
Evan.
Say Walter Jr.
Ginger.
Say Uncle Walter.
Arthur.
Uncle
Uncle.
Walter.
Arthur.
Say Aunt Dana.
Diana.
Say Aunt
Aunt.
Dana.
Diana.
Say Uncle Bob.
Uncle.
Say Aunt Becky.
Becky.
Say Aunt Furfur.
Arthur.
Say Uncle Curtis.
Curtis.
Matt.
Matt.
Mallory.
Mary.
Savannah.
Fiona.
Cooper.
Cooper. Cooper.
Say Krista.
Krista. Krista.
Krista.
Krista.
Say Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Say Delicious.
Delicious.
Say Complicated.
Complicated.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how much I love you?
So much.
How much?
So much.
So much. Show me with your arms. So much.
So much.
What'd you have for dinner?
Milk. Milk.
What do you say?
Okay.
No, what do you say?
Peace.
Okay. And now what do you say?
Welcome.
No, you say thank you.
Thank you.
Are you sweet?
Welcome.
Say I'm sweet.
Sweet. I'm sweet.
What other big words can you say? Can you say good Lord?
Good Lord.
Say Happy Hanukkah. Hanukkah.
Munga.
Hanukkah.
Ataka.
Say television.
Television.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.